Most people in their 20s are broke, not because they don't earn money, but because they repeat the same 5 money habits that guarantee poverty. If you're serious about building wealth, listen closely, because if you recognize even one of these habits in your own life, it might explain why your bank account never grows. And the good news? Breaking these habits today could make you wealthier than 90% of your peers by the time you hit 30. In the US, the average 20-something has less than $1,000 in savings, while student debt climbs past $30,000. But the truth is, it's not only about debt, it's about habits. Habits that silently drain your money before you even realize it. Today, we'll uncover the 5 most common money habits that keep people broke, and more importantly, how to break them. Stay until the end, because habit #3 is the silent killer that keeps millions trapped in the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle. Habit number 1, living beyond your means. This is lifestyle inflation, earning more but spending more. Imagine you get a raise, and instead of saving, you upgrade your car, your phone, and your wardrobe. Suddenly, your new salary feels just as tight as your old one. Social media makes it worse. Influencers flashing luxury bags and vacations pressure you to spend money you don't actually have. But here's the truth. Spending $50 extra every week adds up to $2,600 a year, money that could have gone toward investments or savings. Habit number 2, not saving money, especially not having an emergency fund. Picture this. You're driving to work, your car breaks down, and the repair costs $800. If you don't have savings, what happens? You put it on a credit card. Suddenly, that $800 grows into $1,200 or more with interest. Without savings, every small problem becomes a financial crisis. But saving isn't about how much you earn, it's about consistency. Start with just $5 a day. That's $150 a month, $1,800 a year. And once you build up 3 to 6 months of expenses in an emergency fund, you'll never fear unexpected bills again. Habit number 3, avoiding investing. Many young adults think investing is risky, or they wait until they make more money. But avoiding investing is actually the riskiest move, because inflation steals 5 to 10% of your money's value every year. Here's a simple example. $100 in 2000 has the same buying power as about $60 today. That's the silent killer. On the flip side, compounding works in your favor. If you invest just $200 a month in an index fund earning 8%, you could have over $600,000 by the time you retire. The key is starting early, because time, not money, is your greatest asset. Number 4, ignoring debt and credit. Making only the minimum payment on a $5,000 credit card balance could take you decades to pay off. And with 20% interest, that debt could double in less than 4 years if ignored. In the US, bad credit doesn't just block you from loans. It makes renting apartments harder, raises your insurance rates, and sometimes even costs you job opportunities. The fix? The debt snowball method. Pay off your smallest debt first while making minimum payments on the rest. Each win builds momentum until you're debt-free. Habit number 5, lack of financial education and planning. Schools don't teach money management, so many people drift into adulthood without knowing how to budget, invest, or plan. And that ignorance leads to scams, bad investments, and missed opportunities. Here's the truth. Wealthy people never stop learning. Reading just one finance book every 3 months or following channels like this one gives you an edge most people will never have. Remember, financial knowledge compounds, just like money. So let's recap. The 5 habits that keep you poor are living beyond your means, not saving or building an emergency fund, avoiding investing, ignoring debt and credit, lacking financial education. The truth is, wealth isn't built by luck. It's built by small, smart choices made consistently in your 20s. If you break these habits now, your future self will thank you. If you found this valuable, hit subscribe and check out our playlist on smart investing basics to start building your financial freedom today.